What happens to your body when you eat avocado every day? Have you ever wondered why avocados are seen as the green gold? Hold on tight, because in a few minutes, I will reveal some mind-blowing changes in your body when you eat this creamy fruit daily. If you think you're an avocado expert, get ready to be surprised. We all love avocados' rich, velvety taste, whether spread on toast, tossed in salads, or mashed into guacamole. But what if this little green wonder has secrets that can transform your well-being? Whether you're an avid avocado lover or only eat them occasionally, you'll see avocados in a new light by the end of this video. Today we'll dive into the remarkable benefits of eating avocado daily. Let's dive into the green goodness. Originally from the sunny lands of Mexico and Central America, avocados, previously known whimsically as aguacate or alligator pears, are truly in a class of their own. They are technically berries, but don't be fooled, they are nutritional powerhouses, with more fat, calories, and protein than most other fruits. They are a treasure trove of fiber, potassium, B vitamins, and antioxidants. And can we take a moment to appreciate that luxurious, buttery taste with a whisper of nuttiness? Absolutely irresistible. Yet with all those calories, you might wonder, are these creamy wonders really good for me, or is eating them just self-indulgence? Stay with me as we uncover what research says about making avocados a daily habit. Get ready for some fascinating revelations. 1. Improve your gut health. Have you ever thought about how the health of your stomach profoundly impacts your overall mood and feelings? Well, surprise, avocados may be the secret heroes your gut has been waiting for. Let's break this down. A single avocado has a whopping 13.5 grams of fiber. For comparison, the 2020-2025 dietary guidelines for Americans recommend 28-34 grams of fiber daily. That means by eating just one avocado, you're nearly halfway to your daily goal. Why does this matter? Fiber is like gourmet food for the friendly microbes in your gut. They feast on it, ferment it, and voila, create wonderful compounds called short-chain fatty acids. Consider these the supreme caretakers of your gut, maintaining a balanced, healthy environment. And there's more. Avocados act like prebiotic maestros, orchestrating the ideal conditions for all this beneficial gut activity. But wait, there's even more. A 2021 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that regularly eating avocado increases beneficial gut bacteria. This avocado alchemy also decreases harmful bile acids that can cause inflammation and other digestive issues. So next time you bite into the creamy richness of avocado, remember, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, but also nourishing your gut. 2. Reduce heart disease risk. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, heart disease remains the leading cause of death in the United States. So, what can we do to keep our hearts strong and healthy? Enter potassium, magnesium, fiber, folate, monounsaturated fats, polyphenols, and antioxidants, all of which our favorite avocado packs in abundance. Let's look at some scientific facts. A 2022 study in the Journal of the American Heart Association had intriguing findings. Eating avocados can remarkably reduce the risk of cardiovascular and coronary heart disease by 16–22%. How? Simply swapping some regular foods like butter, cheese, or processed meat for creamy avocado. Another 2020 Journal of Nutrition study again highlighted avocado's power to lower oxidized LDL cholesterol, which can clog arteries. 3. Boost brain function. Looking for a brain boost? Reach for an avocado. If maintaining razor-sharp thinking and waving goodbye to those "what was I saying?" moments sounds good, listen up. Avocados may be the cerebral companion you've been seeking. A 2020 International Journal of Psychology exploration uncovered some fascinating avocado insights. These creamy delights are rich in a unique compound called lutein. And lutein is no ordinary nutrient, it can pass directly through the blood-brain barrier. Once there, It likely acts as a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. The end result? A brain that's not just protected but thriving. And there's more. A 2021 Frontiers in Nutrition study presented even more tantalizing findings. Seniors who regularly ate avocados or guacamole consistently showed better performance on cognitive tests, with a particular boost to memory. Memory often seems to be the first faculty to falter as we age. But making avocados part of our diet could unlock revolutionary benefits. 4. Maintain a healthy weight. You might be scratching your head thinking, wait, aren't avocados high in calories from all their fat? It's time to clear up some misconceptions. A 2022 Journal of the American Heart Association study revealed that people who ate an avocado daily for 6 months didn't gain weight. Yes, you read that right, no added pounds. Here's another avocado insight. A 2019 nutrient study suggested our green friend may even act as a guardian against unwanted weight gain. And for the ladies, a 2021 Journal of Nutrition nugget implies that making avocados a daily habit may be the secret to keeping stubborn visceral fat at bay. What makes avocados weight loss champions? The answers are fiber and monounsaturated fats. The fiber keeps you feeling full, curbing snack attacks. And monounsaturated fats like oleic acid may regulate fat storage when consumed in moderation, according to a 2021 Nutrients review. 5. Shielded from disease and infection. Did you know avocados act like tiny protectors, warding off health villains? That's right, they're warriors against nasty health foes. Avocados are loaded with B vitamins that shield you from illnesses and infections. We can't overlook their loyal companions, vitamins C and E, thought to team up to fight certain cancers. There's more goodness. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin hidden within are the unsung heroes of eye health, helping maintain keen vision and avoid issues like cataracts and macular degeneration. So next time you savor that creamy, rich avocado, remember you're not only enjoying a tasty treat, but also bestowing your body with a bundle of wellness wonders. Tips for picking the best avocados. Ready to become an expert at choosing the perfect avocado? We've all been there, wandering the produce aisle, faced with a sea of avocados, wondering, will this one be ripe for my toast tomorrow? First, look for avocados with darker skins. It signals they're nearing ripeness peak. Next, give a gentle press. If it yields slightly but isn't overly squishy, you may have found the ideal one. Pro tip: check the small stem on top. Flick it off if it reveals beautiful green underneath. It's shouting, I'm ready for guacamole. Oh, got a rock-hard avocado? No worries, put it in a brown paper bag with an apple. Watch the synergy between the two turn that avocado creamy and ripe in no time. Having spilled the beans on avocados' wellness wonders, I'm curious, how do you like to eat them? In guac, on toast, or just scooped out? Share your favorite avocado treats in the comments. And if you learned something new or just share my avocado passion, smash that like button. See you in the next video.